Hello children, welcome to English class. Children, we are in block 20, compare and contrast. Lesson number 3, comparing events. Keywords, problem, idea, solve. Yes children, today we are comparing events. We have to compare the two stories children, Jan's Seed, Ken and the Magic Powder. Yes children, so every story will have a beginning children, then middle part, then end, and every story will have a problem. As if you have read the story, then what is the beginning of the Jan's Seed children? Now yes, if you read the story, then you will understand it better. Okay, so long ago there lived an old king in China. He want to choose a new king children. So what he did in the beginning, a king in China wanted to choose a new king. So what he did, he has given seeds to the young people. Okay, all should plant that seed and they have to grow it. Okay, that is the beginning. What happened in the middle part? Okay, so everybody took the seeds and they have planted that seed. They pour water. Jan also has taken the seed. Okay, but other people's seeds have grown into plants. Okay, some have grew into vegetable plants and some grew into fruits. But Jan's pot was empty. It did not grow only. Okay, then what happened in the end? Then king came to Jan and he asked, what happened? Why your pot is empty? He said, I don't know, your majesty, I don't know. King, I don't know what happened. So king just smiled. Why he smiled? Because he gave cooked seeds. Cooked seeds will grow into plants children? No. Seeds should be raw. We should not cook the seed. But king got an idea that he has to choose the king, no? So he has given the cooked seeds. He want to know the honesty of the people, of his people. Who is honest, he want to make that person king. So what was the problem here? The problem was king wanted a future king to be very honest. Okay, so by one trick, he has chosen Jan to become the new king. Okay, children, king was Jan was very honest children. He did not change the seeds. All other people have changed the seeds children. Yes children. Now if we take the story Ken and the Magic Powder children, what was the beginning of this story children? A long time ago there lived a young man called Ken. Ken spent all his time trying to turn mud into gold with magic. Okay, so what was the beginning in this story, Ken and the Magic Powder? The story is about a young man whose name is Ken and he wanted to change the mud into gold with magic children. That was the beginning. What happened in the middle part? In the middle part, his father-in-law will come to him. His wife Lily is very much worried. So he tells everything to her father. So father will come and he will tell the young man Ken that you have to need silver powder. If you read the story children, you will understand better. You need silver powder to change mud into gold. So how he will collect the silver powder? The Thant, the character name is Thant, will tell him to collect 1 kg silver powder. And what he will give him idea to grow banana plants. If you grow banana plants on the leaf of banana, you will get the silver powder. You have to collect all the silver powder till it becomes 1 kg. So what this Ken will do, he started to plant the banana trees and he will collect the powder. Meanwhile, this is the middle of the story, middle part. At the end, what happened? When he is growing banana, so Lily, his wife is there, no? She sells all the bananas and she will save the money. Okay, that is only gold for him. At the end, when Thant called him to give 1 kg of silver powder, which Ken collected, he will come to his house. So Thant will tell how this magic silver powder will change into gold and he will call Lily. Lily, what you did with those bananas? She will say, I have sold out and I am having this much amount gold she is having. Okay, so the problem was he is changing mud into gold. Ken is changing mud into gold. with idea of that, okay children, with idea of that, he collected 1 kg of silver powder. Okay, meanwhile his wife sold out all the bananas and she collected the amount, which is actually gold for him. Hard work has given him gold. Okay, these two stories children. Every story will have a beginning part, middle part, end part and problem, and then we will have a solution also. And what else we will have? Folk tales will have, always will give a lesson. Okay, someone will we will learn a lesson. It teaches us a lesson. Okay children, folk tales will always teach us a lesson. Someone will teach the lesson and learn the lesson, and someone else will teach the lesson to the concerned person. Okay, here king gave the idea. Here the old man Thant has given the idea. Okay children, first king here was lazy, he was foolish, he was turning mud into gold, which is impossible. Only hard work will give us gold. Okay children, so this is the lesson Kin learned, that hard work will give us gold. And in this story children, Jan's seed, okay, here problem was the king, China king, he wanted a new king who should be very honest. So what idea he has given? He has given cooked seeds. So all the people, they changed the seeds, they cheated, but only Jan did not cheat. He was the honest person. Now, okay children, so like this the problem solved. Two stories we have compared children. Okay, till here clear children? Yes children, now all of you all open your workbook, page number 22 children. Write the date here, S3, comparing events. Think of the problem, main idea and the solution in the stories Jan seed and Kin and the magic powder. First one, write two things that are the same between the two stories. Here we have to write two things that are same children. Okay. Second question, write two things that are different between the two stories. Here we have to write what is difference between the two stories. Third one children, what did you learn from the story? What did you learn from the stories? Okay children, here we have to write that. I will write the answers and I will show you children. Yes children, so first question we have to write the similarities. Okay children, so A, both the stories are folk tales. B, in both the stories the characters grow plants to solve the problem. Okay children, first one. Let us come to the second question children. Okay, yes, we have to write the difference between two stories. First one, A bit children, Jan's seed is from China, but Ken and the magic powder is from Myanmar. Okay children, the second difference is the problem in Jan's seed is solved in a month, but it takes years to solve the problem in Ken and the magic powder. Yes children, here this Jan's seed story, the problem solved in a month, but in the story Ken and the magic powder, it has taken years to solve the problem, because Ken has to collect 1 kg silver powder by growing banana plants. Okay children, so it has taken many years for him to solve the problem in the story. Next, third question, what did you learn from the stories? Both the stories teach us we must work hard to get what we want. Okay children, write neatly in your workbook. Yes children, all of you all open your class workbook children. Question number 1 and 2 we have done in the last class. Today we are going to do question number 3. What do you learn from the story Ken and the Magic Powder? Okay, this is the question. The story Ken and the Magic Powder teaches us to work hard and not be lazy. It is hard work that brings gold and not magic. Okay, children, write your classwork also neatly, children. Okay, read the two stories, children, then you will understand. Okay, what are the we are comparing events, no children, that those events you will understand better. Read the stories, children. Okay, children, thank you. Meet you in the next class.